welcome back. In this part, we're going to take a look at addressing modes. Okay, so most assembly language instructions require operands to be processed, and an operand address provides the location where the data to be processed is stored. And some instructions do not require an operand, whereas some other instructions may require 1, 2, or 3 operands. Okay, and when an instruction requires 2 operands, the first operand is generally the destination, which contains data in a register or memory location, and the second operand is the source. Okay, so source contains either the data to be delivered, which is the immediate addressing, or the address in a register or memory of the data. Okay, so generally, the source data remains unaltered after the operation. Okay, so let's take a look at the 3 basic modes of addressing. Okay, so the first one, these are called the modes. Okay, they're called the modes of addressing. Okay, and the first mode is called the register addressing. Okay, we have the register addressing, we have immediate addressing. Okay, we have lastly the memory addressing. Okay, we shall take a look at one by one, okay, in future parts. Okay, so wait, it's our next part that we are going to look at. So in the next part we shall take a look at the register addressing. Okay, so please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, make sure you have subscribed.